Hello, viewers. Today we have a big news from AI world. Google just made a move so big, it could reshape the entire future of AI. We're talking up to $40 billion into an AI company, Anthropic. And here's the crazy part. This company might be competing with Google itself. So why would Google fund its own rival? And what does this say about where AI is really headed? Meet Anthropic, a fast-rising AI company behind a powerful chatbot called Claude, and a coding tool that's exploding in popularity, claudecode. In fact, demand has grown so fast, Anthropic's revenue reportedly jumped from $9 billion to over $30 billion in just months. That's not growth, that's a rocket. So Google stepped in. Google is investing $10 billion right now, and potentially another $30 billion later, valuing Anthropic at a massive $350 billion. But here's where it gets interesting. Google isn't the only one. Just days earlier, Amazon also committed up to $25 billion to the same company. So now you've got two tech giants pouring tens of billions into the same AI startup. Why? Because this isn't just an investment, it's a loop. Here's how it works. 1. Big tech companies invest in AI startups. 2. Those startups use that money. 3. To buy cloud computing and chips. 4. From the same companies that invested in them. So the money comes right back. It's like funding a restaurant and then becoming their only food supplier. No matter what, they depend on you. As part of the deal, Google will provide Anthropic with 5 gigawatts of computing power starting in 2027. That's enough energy to power an entire US state like Minnesota. Let that sink in. AI isn't just software anymore. It's becoming an energy-hungry industry on a massive scale. And here's the paradox. Google already has its own AI system, Gemini. So technically, it's funding a competitor while building its own rival product. Sounds risky, right? Not really. Because no matter who wins the AI, Google still profits. Through cloud services, through chips, through infrastructure. It's not just playing the game, it's building the stadium. This is the new AI economy. A handful of giants, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, NVIDIA, funding the future, while selling the tools to build it. So the real question isn't which AI company will win, it's who controls the power behind them. If you want more breakdowns of the biggest moves shaping AI and tech, stick around. And please do like, share, and subscribe.